What's going on, guys? My name's Don Jelly. If you're not a part of my team, make sure you subscribe. I want to be the first person to actually do something right. I am going to help people who need me. So some videos might not be in. I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away a war hammer kit. 3 people, as you can see, 3 people here, and also a little set that you can get. You can also win one of these. So you'll be able to win one of these 2, or both of them. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications, and comment down below which one you want. There's either, you can either say purple or yellow. So it's either hashtag purple or hashtag yellow, or if you want both, it's hashtag Warhammer. To have one of these, if this is going to be 10, this is going to be 20, and for both of them I'm going to do it 30. All the money goes to charity. It's going to be going to Great Orman Street Hospital, the money. So if you want to have a chance to win either one of these or one of these, the money goes to charity. So yeah, if you comment one of these 2, for them to follow me on Instagram at ResoundsYouTuber, and then put hashtag purple or yellow or both. Hashtag Warhammer for both. The money does go to charity, and this is a set. A complete little org set. These 2 are obviously my ones, but that's what I'm going to be doing, is a little giveaway. If you want the money to go to Great Orman Street Hospital, do them things that I just said. If you want both of them, it will be £30, and the money does go for a good cause. It goes to charity, the children, people who need us, and the people who might die. Going on the street saved my life when I was a baby. I couldn't breathe when I was little. I'm just paying them back. So yeah, if you want to be in trance, this is a 10, this is 20. If you want to be a part of the giveaway, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the big red little thing. Click that, subscribe button to my channel. I want to try and beat my friends, grand YouTubers. So yeah, make sure you see my music video. These that I've posted it up too. There'll be a 3rd one, the 2nd verse, and the third. Ooh, there might be a 3rd verse. You never know.